Hello, my name is Eduardo and today I'm going to be showing you how to make aguachiles. Aguachiles originally comes from Sinaloa, Mexico, but today I'm going to be showing you I'll be showing you a unique way on how to make this aguachile. I learned how to make this aguachile from a really close relative, which is my mother. Okay, to make these aguachiles, you're going to need about 10 limes, 10 to 12. You're going to need purple onion, about one full onion. You're going to need a handful of cilantro. You're going to need about a handful of 7 chile serranos. You're going to need 1 garlic, cucumbers, about a bowl of cucumbers, 2 avocados, sea salt, peppers, and about, depending on how much aguachile you're making, you're gonna need shrimp. And for the items, in order to make this aguachile, you're gonna need a molcajete. Molcajete is basically a stone or a rock to use to blend sauces. You can either use this or a blender. You're gonna need a knife,